Welcome back to My Big Fat Mess. I'm Anthony Ferraro and today we're cooking lemon chicken. Now, it's not lemon chicken like Asian style. This is an Italian style, pollo e limone. We need some thigh fillets, some lemon, some garlic, something nice to deglaze. Now, I like using Cinzano dry because it's dry and it adds just a little bit of zingy flavor. You could use Prosecco, you could use vodka, you could use some white wine. For this today, I'm going to use Cinzano because I actually like the flavor of it. Now, you can use breast fillets. I'm using thigh fillets. I like thighs because they're more succulent. There's a little bit more fat on them and they're already prepped, ready to go. There's nothing to use. Like, this is a portion for 2 people. I've got 4 fillets. It goes in, it's done. 8-9 minutes, you're eating. Okay, first things first, let's get a nice hot pan going with some extra virgin olive oil. I want that to go to smoking point, so I'm only going to chop this in half because it's already kind of like semi-squashed. Okay, there we go. I like to put it I guess we call it the skin side down, but the part that had the skin on it. Obviously there's no skin on it because it's thigh fillet. This will stick a little bit. That's okay, don't freak out, it'll all sort itself out in the end. So we're at the 2-minute mark, come and have a look. Now I'm cooking really high, it's really doing its thing, and beautiful, that's what I want. I want that nice golden color on there. Now is when I get the Cinzano going. Why do I want Cinzano in there? Because the Cinzano is going to clean the bottom of that pan for us. That's doing its thing. I drop the heat down to a medium. I now get my lemon. Remember, with lemon, the trick is you roll them. So when you squeeze it, you get a nice whack. Now, I bring up the heat again to a nice high. I squeeze my whole lemon in here. I now throw in garlic, salt, salt, salt. Oh, you can already smell it. Holy moly! Wow! Lemon infused, done. Lid goes on. We now give this 4 minutes. In 4 minutes time, that's going to be the most succulent, amazing, delicious lemon chicken you've ever tried. So that's been going for 2 minutes with the lid on high. I've now dropped the heat. Look at that. It's reduced. This is what's going to become the beautiful sauce. The chicken is almost ready. Another 1.5, 2 minutes. This is going to be perfect. I'm going to drop it now to a medium low. I'm going to leave the lid on, because the lid creates that steam. It creates almost like an oven type experience. The heat comes up, it reverberates off the side, goes back down, infuses it with steam right into that chicken. Absolutely amazing. We're at our 4-minute mark, and now is when I'm gonna lob in a nice knob of butter. Now everything is very low here, and the chicken is still bouncing back nicely. So we haven't overcooked it, it's perfect. So this is now ready to go. Taste it. Oh yeah, that's Mickey Mouse. So like I said, this is enough for 2 people. You can serve this with some rice, a little bit of risotto, done on the side, with a little bit of onion, something like this, zucchini, a salad, pumpkin, potatoes. There's a lot you can serve this with. Make sure you don't lose any of that sauce. Once that's all done, a little grattata di limone, a little bit of lemon zest. That is absolutely rock your socks off. And just to show you that you can cook on high heats and you don't burn stuff if long, look at this, clean, clean, clean. This is how you know that you've done it right and that you've done it well. And all that flavor is in there. Pollo al limone. Lemon chicken. You could cut a couple of slices of lemon, a couple of lemon wedges, some preserved lemon. There's lots of ways you can finish this off and serve it. We're going to tuck in Buon Appetito.